guys. So as you read by the title, we're doing a New Year reset before I go back to school. So it's mainly just gonna be like cleaning my room and getting everything I need ready for school. My room is a huge mess, so I want to get that nice and tidied up. But it's mostly gonna be cleaning and just preparing for the new semester coming up. Yeah, this is the before. Hold on. This is the before. Pretty messy, as you can see. There's just mess everywhere. My bathroom is a mess. I need to clean. Because I don't want to have to worry about it while I'm like trying to get back into the groove of school after winter break, which was arguably pretty long. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it because nobody likes a long intro. So enjoy. Snowed outside, as you can see, so I'm gonna take my dog for a walk and then play in the snow with my sister My brother and I think her boyfriend is coming over, but we are going to clean this monstrosity and maybe fix this mess. That is just dirty laundry, so I just have to put that in the basket and then it's done. But like the bottom half and then the top half is a huge mess and I don't like it. But I'm gonna do that and film it, and then I'm gonna do my dad's nails, and I will see you guys after I do all of those things that I said I was gonna do. It'll be dark, but yeah. Let's get started in here because it is in desperate need of a good cleaning. Let's go. I took him out for a walk. It's freezing though. Oh! Off he goes. Are you having fun? Okay. I moved the shelves that were there down to the basement because that's where my sister and I moved all of our Depop stock. So now it's down there. But while I was down there, I found the cutest things. This is the top, and you just put a little candle on here, and then you add the top on, and it'll be like a little mini lamp. And I just thought that was adorable. And on top of that, I found this old shelf that we used to have. Well, I mean, we still have it, obviously, but hello, stunning. I mean, it literally fits perfectly. So if I use a little battery powered one and stick it in there, it would be so cute. I don't think, yeah, it like barely fits up here, so I probably wouldn't do that because it's like too risky. But it's so cute. I just got to figure out where to put the shelf and clean it because it's really icky. But yeah, two really cute vintage pieces I found in the basement and am bringing up here without permission, but they're not using them, so it's fine. So for our Depop stock, we use these bins, and we have 4 black ones, and the rest are either white, gray, or white with gray squares. So I wanted the black ones, so I took all the black ones, and now they're in my room, and now all the bins in the top of my closet I'm going to put in here. So eventually I'm gonna get a dresser and put it in the bottom of my closet, and then I won't need the bins, but you know, for now. Okay, see what I mean? It's a literal mess up here. Like ew. What is this? Okay, I have 5 bins, which is kind of an issue. Also, I also have my bags that I'm gonna get through, and I was supposed to do that for my closet cleanup video, and I didn't. But I haven't edited that yet, so we're gonna put this clip in the closet cleanup video also. But we're gonna go through my bags really quickly and decide what to keep and what to get rid of. I only want to keep 5 bags, not counting my backpack or my travel bags. So 5 purses. I just bought one and I'm keeping it. And then I have one that I'm using daily, and then I have that one. So I'm probably only gonna keep 2 others. Wish me luck, you guys, because I have like a very strong like for bags. Like I really like bags, but I don't use them, you know? I like buying them and I like collecting them, but I don't display them or anything. They just kind of sit in my closet where I can't see them. So, you know, we're gonna get rid of them, and somebody who will appreciate them will get it instead. But we're gonna do the bags, and then we're gonna deal with that mess, and just make it neater in here. 3 containers. I don't need that. Nobody needs this. First of all, we're gonna get rid of it. Oh. Okay, I had this since I was like 7, and it's just the cutest little yellow bag. But like, do you see any yellow in here? No. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I think this is a designer bag, but I forget which designer. Vera Wang. Oop. How long have these been in here? Oh my god! So come be involved. I opened my Vera Wang bag and I found lip gloss in it.
Can I see this one?
The bag I bought is pretty much exactly like this, but it's not because the handle's different.
Whatever you say.
She thinks I have a problem, and she's right.
Say thanks.
We're gonna get rid of this one. What do I do about this one?
Go to therapy. I don't know. Where'd you get that?
I don't know. I was like 6. Yeah. What is batteries? Why are there batteries? Did I take this to a concert or something?
You must have.
Okay. Not my style.
I've never even seen you use that.
I thrifted this because look at it. Look at it, it's gorgeous. That's not my style.
I'm leaving now.
So, all right, bye. We're keeping this little red shoulder bag. All right. I really do not know. Oh, I don't. And we're gonna keep this one. Let's do what I was actually supposed to be filming.
That sentence, I didn't like it. I don't know. Let's do what I said I was going to do. I liked better. Or let's do what I'm actually here for. No, let's do.
Make up your mind and I'll say it.
Let's get back to business. Or anyways, back to business.
What she said. All of them.
What is business? Oh, you just move it. Your okay.
Yeah. Exactly. Hoodies.
Are you keeping that hoodie?
Look how much better it looks now. I just gotta move that ugly green stool. Let's time lapse this because it's gonna take a minute. Okay, I will do a temporary bathroom reveal because it's obviously not done. If you want to see the full finished product, you'll have to wait for my room makeover. It should be up soon if all goes well, so you won't have to wait that long. Or, you know, if you're watching this not in January, then it'll probably be up. But here's how it is so far. I moved the shoes over there for now, and I put my laundry basket there. Just a bin of junk right there. And this is how the top looks. Not bad, not bad. And of course, the floor is nice and clean. And so is the sink. And there's my tripod. But yeah, it's really nice and clean in here. And okay, let me put this massive tripod back there. Okay, let me show you the rest of the room. Okay, ignore the slight mess on the bed. That's my PJs, and then I'm gonna do heatless curls.